Do you feel like when you're talking to people that you're like inferior than them? Like you're just begging for their business, that they're almighty on the phone and you feel like a little peon talking to them? Well, I'm going to teach you how to level the playing field, okay? And you're going to know within seconds if they're for you or not. Stop chasing the deal. Stop having it be hard, like a bad experience on your brain, a negative experience. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to prospect, the easiest way to navigate past objections. So and not just easy, but professionally done. Because some of you are being way too friendly or way too salesy or way too scripted or just being yourself and just winging it, which is not working for you. All right. So I'm going to teach you how to bring value into those conversations. So when you're calling people, you're calling for sell by owners, you're leveling out the playing field, because a lot of you call for sell by owners and you feel like they're all this all night. Just stop. Okay. Stop putting yourself down. Join the masterclass. I'm going to show you step by step on what to do. Click the link below. I'll see you there.